Welcome to Cars Trends, your premier source for the latest in automotive innovation and performance. Today, we're delving into a vehicle that embodies the future of high-performance electric sports cars, the 2025 Nissan Hyperforce. Unveiled at the Japan Mobility Show 2023, this concept car showcases Nissan's commitment to blending cutting-edge technology with exhilarating performance. Let's explore what makes the Hyperforce a potential game-changer in the automotive world. The Nissan Hyperforce captivates with its futuristic and aerodynamic design, seamlessly merging sleek curves with bold geometric patterns. Developed in collaboration with Nissan's Nismo racing team, the exterior achieves high aerodynamic performance, generating substantial downforce essential for high-speed stability and cornering. The two-tiered aerodynamic structure under the front hood provides both strong downforce and high cooling performance, while the dual-level rear diffuser optimally controls airflow. The vehicle's low, wide stance and aggressive front fascia pay homage to Nissan's high-performance lineage, with design elements reminiscent of the legendary GT-R and R34 Skyline. The incorporation of advanced active aero functions, such as front canards and a dynamic rear wing, further enhance its performance capabilities. The Hyperforce's exterior is not only a testament to aesthetic appeal but also a functional masterpiece engineered for speed and agility. Stepping inside, the Hyperforce reveals a driver-focused cockpit that seamlessly integrates advanced technology with comfort. The interior features lightweight, high-rigidity carbon bucket seats equipped with 4-point seat belts, ensuring optimal support during spirited driving while maintaining comfort for longer journeys. The minimalist dashboard is dominated by a state-of-the-art graphical user interface GUI designed by Polyphony Digital, creators of the Gran Turismo series, providing intuitive access to vehicle controls and performance data. One of the standout features is the integration of augmented reality (AR) and virtual reality (VR) experiences. When the vehicle is stationary, drivers can utilize a VR gaming helmet to engage in virtual racing scenarios, either against the clock or other virtual competitors. This innovative blend of real and virtual driving experiences offers a platform for enthusiasts to hone their skills and indulge in racing fantasies within a safe environment. At the heart of the Hyperforce lies a formidable all-electric powertrain capable of delivering up to 1,000 kilowatts, approximately 1,341 horsepower. This immense power is facilitated by an all-solid-state battery (ASSB), which offers optimal weight balance and rapid acceleration. The advanced E4-ORS all-wheel control system ensures exceptional handling and cornering prowess, making the Hyperforce adept on both circuits and winding roads. The lightweight body, constructed with high-strength carbon fiber, contributes to the vehicle's agility and performance. Active aerodynamic elements, including a dual-level rear diffuser and plasma actuators that suppress air separation, maximize grip and stability during high-speed maneuvers. This combination of cutting-edge technologies positions the Hyperforce as a formidable contender in the realm of electric supercars. Nissan has equipped the Hyperforce with a suite of advanced technologies aimed at enhancing both performance and driver engagement. The vehicle features autonomous driving capabilities, utilizing hyper-lidar and an array of sensors fine-tuned for sports driving, ensuring a high level of safety on public roads and the track. The integration of AR and VR technologies allows drivers to experience a gamified driving environment, bridging the gap between real-world performance and virtual racing. This innovative approach not only provides entertainment but also serves as a training tool for drivers to improve their skills in a controlled setting. While the Hyperforce is a high-performance concept, it also offers elements of practicality that cater to modern driving needs. The advanced E4-ORS all-wheel drive system ensures stability and control across various driving conditions, enhancing its versatility beyond the racetrack. Additionally, the vehicle's design incorporates considerations for daily usability, such as comfortable seating and intuitive controls, making it a well-rounded proposition for enthusiasts seeking both performance and convenience. In the competitive landscape of electric supercars, the Nissan Hyperforce stands out with its blend of heritage-inspired design and futuristic technology. While currently a concept, its unveiling signals Nissan's intent to push the boundaries of electric vehicle performance and design. The Hyperforce appeals to both traditional automotive enthusiasts and the tech-savvy generation, bridging the gap between high-performance driving and digital interactivity. In conclusion, the 2025 Nissan Hyperforce represents a bold vision for the future of electric supercars. Its combination of cutting-edge technology, exhilarating performance, and innovative design elements positions it as a potential benchmark in the industry. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Nissan Hyperforce, please give this video a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Cars Trends for more in-depth reviews and the latest updates on automotive innovations. Your support helps us bring you the content you love. Stay tuned for more exciting features, and we'll see you in the next video.